Hello everyone, hello English lovers. This is Suraj Kumar, founder of India English Bolega Abhiyan. I welcome you in this video of India English Bolega Abhiyan. My friend, today just I am going to share with you that the importance of morning walk. You know, morning walk is very important in our life because if you just walk early in the morning, you run, take exercise, your life is very beautiful. You can enjoy your life. Your life will be amazing, and you will feel fantastic. You can see here, this is the field where the people they are just doing the exercise, playing, and enjoying the morning, Sunday morning. It is Sunday. I don't have any class, so I thought I should come here, and I came. Just I took the exercise. I just walked. Still, I am walking, and I am trying to do something better. I just wanna say something that if you have desire to speak something, if you desire to do something better, really you get the opportunity in your life. And I tell you about my English journey. When I started my English journey, really it was very difficult for me. Even 5 lines, it was very difficult for me to speak. Now you will say, sir, what are you saying, sir? I can't understand. You are the trainer, you train the people how to talk in English. You have the students from all around the world, and you are the founder of also India English Bolega Abhiyan. But what is your journey, sir? When did you start, sir? I tell you about my journey. It was really very mesmerizing journey. Once upon a time, it happened that I was the fourth topper of my school. So my teacher, he told me 2 lines in English language, and I tell you that only I smiled because I could not understand. And I was one of the favorite students of my teacher. So really I felt very bad because the language, just I was always trying to become my favorite student of my teacher, but it did not happen because I could not understand. I thought that what is going on. So finally I saw there that I should learn English language because the teacher, he was highly talented, and he told me that, sir, really you can take training of English language and just you can speak English fluently without any hesitation. So I joined one institute, and really that the moment I think how it passed 1 year, like 3 months. When you are in love, when you are very much excited, when you are very much dreamed to do something, I tell you, everything is very easy. And the time was flying that time, and very soon it passed 1 year, and my English improved a lot, and I was going on the stage. And after going the stage, just I was feeling fantastic because the teacher, he was the making clap for me. Please give a big hand for Suraj Kumar. And that time I felt amazing, and it was very nice. So really it was very nice, and I was thinking that you should do something, and really this English has changed my life. My dear friend, today I have whatever. The people, they know me, they respect me, they call me sir because of this English language. And it has changed my life 360. And I wanna bring the transformation in India. So I am trying to do something better. And I hope one day India English Bolega Abhiyan will bring the change in your life also. I have started work from home. I am giving the opportunity of the work many students, they really wanna earn money online. So it is a great day for me, and I feel fantastic, and I hope just you learned from this video. One message I would like to give you: never give up. कभी हार मत मानो. What is your condition? क्या होगा? कंडीशन क्या है? जो कंडीशन आपका है this time, what is the condition you have this time? It will be changed. But you have to say, I wanna do something in my life, and I give you guarantee, one day your life will be changed, and nobody can stop it. Never give up. Always never think that according to the situation, result, your life will be defined. Never. The people, they tried from zero and they reached to the crores. So you have not to worry. You have to say yourself, I am ready to do, I can something special do in my life, and it will be possible for me as well. So thank you for being part of India English Bolega Abhiyan, and do like, do share with your friends. Join India English Bolega Abhiyan and make your life beautiful. Thank you. See you in the next video.